Ready to pre-order GTA 6, but can't log in to your Rockstar account? Whether you forgot your password, accidentally deleted your Rockstar Games account, or think it's been hacked, don't worry. There's a good chance you can recover it. And if you're looking for a Rockstar Social Club account recovery, it's the same thing. Rockstar Social Club is now called Rockstar Games, so every method in this video works for both. Let's get started. Before assuming your account has been hacked, start with the most common problem: a forgotten password. Open the Rockstar Launcher app or go to the Rockstar Games sign-in page on your PC and click Forgot Your Password. Enter the email address linked to your Rockstar account and submit the request. Rockstar will send a password reset email. If you don't receive it, check your spam or junk folder, search your inbox for Rockstar emails, and wait a few minutes in case the email is delayed. Once the email arrives, open the reset link, create a strong new password, and sign back into your account. If everything works, your account probably wasn't hacked. But what if the reset email never arrives, or Rockstar says the email isn't linked to any account? In that case, continue to the next method. Many players simply forget which email they originally used for their Rockstar account. Before assuming the account is gone, verify you're using the correct email. Check your browser's saved passwords or password manager. Search all of your email accounts for Rockstar emails, including welcome messages, purchase receipts, password resets, or security notifications. If you find the correct email address, go back and try resetting your password again. If you're certain you're using the right email and still can't recover the account, move on to the next method. If you accidentally requested to delete your Rockstar account, don't worry. Rockstar Games allows you 21 days to cancel the account deletion request. When the deletion request is submitted, Rockstar sends a confirmation email to your registered email address. Open that email and click the Cancel My Deletion Request button or link. Once confirmed, your account will remain active and you'll receive another confirmation email. If you can't find the email, check your spam or junk folder or search your inbox for Rockstar emails. Remember, this recovery option is only available for 21 days. After that, your Rockstar account is permanently deleted and generally cannot be restored. If your account wasn't deleted but you still can't access it, it may have been compromised. If your password suddenly stopped working, password reset emails never arrive, your Rockstar email address has been changed, or you're being asked for a two-step verification code you never enabled, your account may have been hacked. The first thing you should do is check your original email inbox. If someone changed the email address linked to your Rockstar account, Rockstar usually sends a notification to your original email. Open that email and look for an account recovery or email reversal link. If it's available, use it immediately, because these recovery links may expire. Once you've restored the original email address, reset your password and sign back into your account. If you no longer have access to your original email or the recovery link has expired, your next step is to contact Rockstar Support. Visit the official Rockstar Support website and select the trouble signing into your account. Enter the registered email and select Compromised Account. Clearly explain what happened and provide as much ownership information as possible. Include your original email address, Rockstar username or nickname, what country you are from, approximate account creation date, purchase receipts or transaction history, games linked to the account, any other information that proves you own the account. Finally, click on the Submit Ticket button. To see your ticket status, click on the View Dashboard option and refresh the page. Your ongoing ticket will be visible. If the hacker enabled two-step verification or changed multiple account details, Rockstar Support is usually the only way to recover your account. Keep an eye on your email while waiting for their response. Once you've recovered your account, take a few minutes to secure it. Change your password to a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else. Enable two-step verification if it's available. Secure your email account as well, since anyone with access to your email can often recover your gaming accounts. Finally, review your account details and linked accounts. Remove anything you don't recognize. Also, avoid creating a new Rockstar account unless Rockstar Support specifically tells you to. If this guide helped you recover your Rockstar account, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor for more account recovery and data recovery tutorials. If you're still having trouble with your account, leave a comment below describing your issue, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching.